Okay, look into the next exercise 1.3 first sum. The subscription department of the magazine sends a letter to a larger mailing list. Okay, sending the mailing letters for the subscription of the magazine. So inviting subscriptions for the magazine. Some of the people receiving the letter already subscribes to the magazine, while others do not. Those who are not subscribing, again they are sending a letter from the mailing list. So through the mail they are sending. In that list, 45% of those who already subscribe will subscribe again. So already 45 people are subscribed. So remaining how many will be not there? 45% means it is 0.45. So remaining will be 55%, that is 0.55. And while again 30% of those who do not now subscribe will subscribe. So in that 30% they have not, those who are not in that list, they have not subscribed, they can also subscribe. So 30% is means 0.30. So next B section, B people will be 0.30. The remaining will from this will be 0.70. That is 70%, no, 0.70. They will be subscribing. Not subscribers, again they are expected to subscribe the magazine. On the last letter, it was found that 40%. So this is the current transition. Okay, the next successive transition, that is what is the next transition they are doing. Again a last letter was sent. It was found that 40% of those receiving it, 40% only receiving it, they are ordered for the subscription. And the person, what then remaining will be what among that, let A be the 40%, the remaining will be 60%. So the B remaining 60% not subscriber, they may subscribe through the last letter. So for this transition, for A is 40%, B is the remaining so B be the non-subscribers, A, B be the subscribers. So 40% subscribers means remaining 60%, 0.60, they were not subscribers. So A is, let you assume A as percentage of subscribers and B as percentage of non-subscribers. So how can you write this transition probability? Is nothing but the next successive, you are doing with the probability. What is the probability? Occurrence and the non-occurrence together, is it not, is 1. So A plus B is 1. If the occurrence is 45% means the non-occurrence will be 55%. So what is A? 0.45 means the other will be B, that is 0.55, non-occurrence. Similarly, 0.30 is non-occurrence means again in that non-occurrence will be 0.70, that is non-occurrences. Together writing in the transition, the probabilities together writing in this form is what the transition matrix. Okay, now you are going to do this using the matrix form. So transition probability in the matrix form you are going to do it. That is matrix form you are going to use, multiply the successive current transition with the successive transition in order to get the outcome. What percent of those receiving the, what is the question, the percent of receiving the current letter can be expected to order a subscription. From this letter, how many are expected to order for the subscription? That you have to write the form in percentage form is the question. If A and B is given means we will go to the equilibrium state and then find A and B. But in this sum only the current transition in percentage form you have to find it. So just multiply the successive transition and the current transition. Okay, what is the transition? A is 45%, 0.45, B is 0.55. Similarly, if 0.30 is B, means your A, from that B again the non-subscribers will be 0.70. So this again the current position will be 40% and 60%. This will be the successive current position and the successive position you are going to multiply. Okay, from the current state what will be the percentage? So you multiply means what you will do, one row and one column. Similarly, first row and first column, first row and second column. So you will get like this 0.18, 0.18 and then 0.22, 0.4. How will you multiply? 0.50, 0.45 multiply and then add with 0.60, 0.30, right? Matrix multiplication. A row and a one row, one column. This is two row, one column. So resulting will be one row, one column. Similarly, 0.40 into 0.3, 0.55, again 0.60 into 0.70. So if you multiply, you get 0.18, 0.18, which is 0.36. Similarly, 0.22 into 0.4 plus 0.42, which is 0.64. So in this 0.36 means it 36%. 0.64 means 64%. So in the from the current letter, 36% are receiving they are expected to order for the subscription. So remaining 64, they will not subscribe. From only the 36 are expected to subscribe. So using this transition probability matrix, we can solve the answer.